Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the neon outline text effect on CapCut PC. Alright, first you can select this black screen and add the text, select the bold text and just change the text. Simple. You can resize and add the animation. For example, I'm just going to select web animation and adjust for the duration. Alright, after that, you are just going to export the project. Click export, and after done, you can import that's created. So go to media, select import, and import that's created. And I have imported and drag, and you can go to effect, select night cloud, so you can find a neon outline effect. So just tap on add drag. Alright, can adjust for the strength. So this is the final effect you'll have on your video. So super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.